Steam Link connection issues remain one of the most frustrating problems for PC gamers in 2025. Despite improvements in technology, many users still struggle to connect their mobile devices and smart TVs to their gaming PCs. The first major category of Steam Link issues involves network discovery problems. Your Steam Link app might not be able to locate your gaming PC on the network, especially if devices appear to be on different network segments, or if your router is configured to block communication between devices. The second major issue involves firewall restrictions. Windows Defender Firewall, third-party antivirus software, or router firewall settings often block Steam's streaming ports, particularly ports 27036 and 27037, preventing successful connections. The third category involves streaming protocol problems. These include bandwidth limitations that cause connection drops, hardware acceleration conflicts between your graphics card and Steam's encoding, and audio or video codec incompatibilities that prevent smooth streaming. For Steam Link to work properly, you need to meet 3 essential technical requirements. First, your host PC needs a minimum upload speed of 5 megabits per second. Second, both devices must be on the same local network. Third, you need low latency, ideally under 20 milliseconds. Recent developments in 2025 have brought both improvements and new challenges. Steam client updates have modified networking protocols, Wi-Fi 6 and 6E adoption has improved performance, and enhanced security protocols have made proper configuration more critical. With correct setup, connection success rates now reach 92%. Understanding these core connection issues is the first step toward resolving Steam Link problems. In the next section, we'll walk through the specific steps to fix each of these common issues and get your Steam Link working reliably. First, we need to verify your network configuration. Both your PC and Steam Link device must be on the same Wi-Fi network to communicate properly. Next, configure your router settings. Enable UPnP for automatic port forwarding, disable client isolation, and use the 5 GHz band to reduce network congestion. Configure your Windows Firewall to allow Steam through both private and public networks. Create specific rules for ports 2736 and 27037, and add Steam to your antivirus exclusions. On your host PC, enable Steam in-home streaming in Settings, run Steam as administrator, and ensure you have the latest version installed. Finally, optimize your streaming performance by enabling hardware encoding if available, adjusting streaming quality settings, and configuring audio devices properly. These steps will significantly improve your connection success rate.